Previously on ThreadBanger.
I'm gonna create the most epic backyard haunt.
$4,000 worth of f***ing haunted Halloween bullshit.
$4,000.
Double toil trouble.
So, contrary to popular belief, I don't have everything I need yet to pull off my epic backyard haunt slash Halloween party. Yeah, it's turned into a party now too. I still need a lot of stuff for my DIY pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch. I'm here at the craft store, so let's get to shopping. Pumpkins, carvable. Huh, sounds like it's perfect for my pumpkin patch. This is really a Gourd deal. All right, I stole that joke from Rob. That's okay. You won't mind. Sweet. I mean, I obviously need this. Bon appetit. These may be the final straw. Originally $12.99. That's a steal. We barely made it out of there without spending our whole life savings. Now, I'd say one of the most essential parts of any DIY pumpkin patch is gonna be your Scarecrow. And what better place to get an old flannel and some overalls than your local Goodwill. Ooh, this is a good color. And no one will probably ever buy this because of this ink stain. One man's ink stain is another lady's Scarecrow. I mean, this is pretty scary. And I'm not finding any overalls. So I guess these snow pants will have to do. Unfortunately, before we can even start setting up our DIY pumpkin patch, I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleanup back here. I have to mow the grass, I have to clean up all these leaves that are happening. Hey, trees, why don't you leave me alone? Just kidding, I love you, trees. Do whatever you need to do, as long as you keep giving me oxygen. So I'm thinking the You Pick pumpkin patch is gonna go here and here, and then I'm gonna put the Scarecrow back here with a bunch of crows and hay bales and beautiful little signs that have punny little jokes on them. It's gonna be magical. We have a lot to do. Okay, just got the invitation sent out. Very cute. Next up, make Scarecrow. I've been saving the plastic containers, bags, and wrappings from a bunch of random stuff to use as stuffing for our Scarecrow. We always use reusable bags when we go grocery shopping, but somehow you always end up with a bazillion of them. This is a great way to reuse them. I'm using an old water jug for the head and wrapping it in burlap. An old piece of wood is gonna act as the neck and torso, and I'm simply securing it in place with the burlap and some hot glue. Then I made a square head cover by gluing a piece of burlap together and slipping it right down on top. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. All right, now I'm just securing the shirt to the neck area with a zip tie and enclosing the wrist around some old spray cans. And then it's just time to stuff them up. I usually do this with pasta, but today we're gonna use these plastic bags. And this is what the anatomy of a Scarecrow looks like. Much more efficient than using hay, let me tell you. All right, he's looking pretty full, so I'm just closing up the bottom around the torso with another zip tie. And our guy's really coming together. Unfortunately, we do have to use some hay for some accents, but I'm trying to wrangle it the best I can so it lasts a long time and doesn't get all over the place. But you know what? The haters are always gonna hate. And lastly, I just cinched the burlap in the neck area and painted on some spooky eyes. Here's looking at you, kid. Woo! That was a lot of work, but we got our Scarecrow made and the lawn has been beautified. Now it's time to convert it into a DIY pumpkin patch. Oh, hey.
Hey.
What are you doing with my hay? Who are you again?
I'm your niece.
Hey, you are.
Technically, you're blood related to Rob, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up one of these, but in here.
Okay.
Do you want different shoes? Those are gonna get dirty probably.
No.
Oh, hey, no. What do you think of that joke? No?
That's okay.
Was it solid? No,
Okay.
just okay. Great. You're my core demographic, so I gotta make sure to make you laugh.
Haha.
Okay, great. Here, Chase, you wanna help?
Yeah.
So we're just doing this. Spreading it around.
Whoa.
Starting to get some hay fever.
Me too.
Scarecrow's going there with the fake corn stalks, but I'm having a moment of revelation. This many hay bales is not enough hay bales. I'm gonna have to go get some more hay bales. Hey, you gonna bail me out later? Okay. All right. So I think our Scarecrow is actually gonna be a lazy Scarecrow and just sit in this chair. And that's because I'm pretty lazy at this point. I've already done so much work that I don't wanna build a post for this guy to hang on, so he's gonna be sitting and scaring. I'm gonna kind of set him up in here. I really like these as the pant option because I think after it's outside all season, I'll be able to take this in and wash it. Yeah, Mr. Scarecrow is straight chillin'. I mean, this looks pretty good. Still have to put a few more pumpkins in, some more birds, and we got ourselves a DIY pumpkin patch. And since the kids are here, I thought it might be fun for them to help me paint some of the pumpkins for our stoop decor. Hopefully they don't turn out looking too stupid. Just kidding. Everyone's art is beautiful in its own little way. Doot.
Wow, that's genuine laughter, folks. Genuinely having a good time.
You ready? Come on. All right, here we go. Are you ready to pick your pumpkin out, Rob?
I'm ready to pick my pumpkin.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I think Chase is ready.
I want to pick out this pumpkin.
You want to pick this pumpkin?
Hey, this is
Oh, no, I want this one.
No!
I want this pumpkin. Give me
This
this.
is white.
Give me this.
We decided that carving the pumpkins probably wasn't a good idea. Rob's on blood thinners, obvious reasons, and I would have, you would have been the one I would have been okay with, but so we're gonna paint them instead, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, do we have a plan?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's your plan?
I'm gonna make Jack Skellington.
Jack Skellington, good idea with that pumpkin color choice.
I am planless for the moment, but I know my execution is gonna be phenomenal, so
Wow, someone with a lot of ego. Okay,
look who I'm up against.
make a pumpkin that looks cute.
well, aren't you adorable?
Yeah.
All right, you're allowed to stay a little longer.
I feel like I need like some sort of Halloween
there's lots of
gear or
pumpkins,
something. I feel.
too.
Oh, do you want my cat ears?
This was the only thing I was able to find.
Hi, Poop Man.
Hi. So let's get started.
His name is Poop Man. Everybody's gonna like mine. I know it's done.
What?
Yeah.
Everyone's gonna like yours the best.
Mine? How do you know?
Is that's what you just said? That everyone's gonna like yours?
Some people, maybe not.
Okay.
Chase, it looks very cute. I bet it does. It does.
Wow.
Okay, I'm done.
What?
That's it.
Awesome, good job.
This is Jack Skellington. He's my favorite, and then I made Pennywise because
Whoa!
I love them too.
I don't think that was part of the rules.
I mean, I didn't know there were rules.
Nah, that's not fair. For more amazing talent such as this, Linda Lee, my niece, she has her own channel.
Yeah, I do.
YouTube.com/Linda Lee. Make sure you go over there and check that out.
Yes, he needs to. So he can be famous.
You have a channel too, I'm sure. Good job, everybody.
All right, yay. Good job, kids. You did it.
I'm not done yet.
Well, that was cute. I'm glad Rob got to spend some quality time with his niece and nephew.
His name is Poop Man.
but only one of those pumpkins is making the stoop cut. And I spent the next day and a half painting the rest of these pumpkins. They're probably my favorite DIY accomplishment so far. I think I have a future in pumpkin painting. That's super lucrative, right? Just hanging out with my pumpkin. I also made some cute little punny signs. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Once I get all the lights set up back here, it'll be really spoopy. Now you may be saying to yourself, what happened to all the stuff you opened in the first video? Well, don't worry, I'm gonna show you all of that in part 3. Yeah, I just Shane Dawson'd your ass. No, for real though, it takes a lot of work to pull off an epic DIY backyard haunt / party. And I wanted to start from the back to the front. It's also been raining a lot, so I've been very hesitant to put all my brand new Halloween decor outside. So I've been busying myself with creating a base layer of lights and setting up the stuff that won't be so affected by the rain. We got our karaoke area all set up, but don't get me wrong, there is still a lot to do. I still have to put together my little witchy scene with the flame-lighted pumpkins and create my creepy hands with lanterns tunnel. Will it happen? Hopefully. Tune in the next 3-ish or so days to find out. And until next time, bye-bye.